Hey, I'm just gonna show you a quick view of my messy workshop. So here's a burl that we just recently bought. Gonna have some fun with it, and we just took all the bark off of it. Here's some fountain pens that I'm planning on turning. I already grabbed some blanks that I stabilized that I'm considering. You know, I got some Maeve birch here. I got some burl down here, a little bit of curly maple, and some applewood. These are actually the branch parts, so that's kind of cool. This is a jig we're working on for a router. Here's some clocks that are waiting. I still need to buff them, but I put some stain on them, so they're drying now. Here's my stabilizing blanks. These are, you know, it's still liquid down there. It's pulling up all the color. This is Maeve birch. I got some maple burl, and I have some curly maple. So a bunch of different colors going on here. I got black, 3 different blues, some red, and some green. And then I'll do another color for the other side, and yeah, kind of a mess.